Hello, hello, ED 242. It's Wednesday and we are almost at the end of our semester. I just wanted a couple of things on our Wednesday message to point out to you today. The first one is our Zoom meeting is Thursday. This week on the Zoom meeting, all I have for you to watch is another TED Talk. Just under Global Citizenship Week 2, and that's the only thing we've got. So I hope you enjoy this TED Talk. I think it's a pretty good one, and it actually puts some global citizenship work in action. So if for some reason you are not able to come on Thursday, which I know many of you can't, please make sure then you go to discussion board. And here's the discussion for this week. So please make sure you do one or the other to get your 2 points. Also, the global curriculum assignment is due this week. Let me just open up assignment descriptions right here. And we are going to actually talk about a couple, as of today, a couple of you have already submitted your project ideas, and I'm actually going to ask you guys to share them during our Zoom meeting. And next week, the other people who didn't submit them yet will share those. It's technically not due until Sunday. So again, I don't expect that you've already submitted those, but I know some of you have. So I just wanted to remind you that this is Global Citizens Curriculum right here. So what I did want you to do is I wanted you to create a PowerPoint, create a curricular unit using a PowerPoint. And actually then I do want you, and right here is what the PowerPoint is supposed to address. And then I actually do have a Padlet because I would like to put these all together so we have one document for everybody. And let me see if anyone has done that as of yet. Let's see if I can open this hyperlink. I'm not sure I can while I'm on this. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, isn't that cool? I was so excited. So, yeah, there we go. Here's Abby's. I believe this is Abby and Faith, and here's Emily. So you can look at theirs already. I'm going to ask them to share those on Thursday. And then I want to make sure that you guys all add yours to it. And what I'm picturing here is all of your Google Slides in one place so that all of you can access them and they don't just live in Blackboard. Well, I just lost that, but that's okay. So that is all I have for this week. Again, next week we've got one more week together, and I'll tell you what's on store for that on Friday, on your Friday message. Bye.